Today on Autocar 66, we'll show you the 2026 Toyota Sequoia, an SUV that has received some upgrades for the new lineup. See more after the intro. Toyota has launched the new lineup of its Sequoia SUV, which has received few changes to its exterior, such as the new Wavemaker color, which is only available for the TRD Pro version. The biggest improvements are in the interior, with power folding for the third-row seats, as well as new finishes and upholstery for some configurations of the SUV. The car, which is celebrating its fourth year on the market, sold very well in 2024, with over 26,000 units delivered, but faces strong competitors such as the Ford Expedition, Nissan Armada, and Jeep Wagoneer. Compare them all here and tell us which one would have a place in your garage. The car also gained a few dollars more in its price tags, with prices starting at around $64,000 for the SR5 version and going up to $84,000 for the Capstone trim. Stay tuned, as we'll show you more about the new Toyota Sequoia. Let's start by talking more about the Sequoia's design, which is certainly the most striking feature at first glance. It's an imposing SUV with very traditional square lines. The front end is tall and straight and features signature LED headlights in an inverted L shape, which complement a massive grille with geometric elements. The bumper has another air intake at its lower section, which houses the fog lights. The side is very robust and heavily creased, with a very straight window line and thick pillars. The wheel arches are trapezoidal and well-defined, framed by unpainted parts in some versions. The wheels are huge, ranging from 18 to 22 inches. The rear features narrow horizontal taillights connected by a bar, and the top of the hood has a built-in spoiler. The lower part of the bumper is framed by a piece that resembles a hedge trim, finishing things off. The car's available in several color tones, some quite striking, which perfectly match its style, and which include the new Wavemaker feature, available only on the TRD Pro version. If the SUV's body design is already impressive, inside, things are even more surprising. The lines are predominantly vertical and showcase premium materials in various colors and textures. The instruments are fully digital, integrated with the multimedia system, which uses a 14-inch screen integrated into the dashboard. There's ample space for 7 passengers, and the trunk can carry 623 liters of cargo. The Sequoia's equipment list is quite good, isn't it? It comes equipped with a sunroof, heated seats, a panoramic camera system, JBL audio, a backup camera, rear air suspension, cruise control, and many other amenities, some of which are reserved for the more expensive versions, of course. Under the hood, the Sequoia uses a 3.4-liter V6 engine that's backed by electric generators, producing 437 horsepower. This engine is mated to a 10-speed automatic transmission, with rear-wheel or all-wheel drive options. So, what do you think of the 2026 Toyota Sequoia? Is it a good option among the many SUVs on the market? Let us know your opinion in the comments below. We'd love to hear it.
Enjoying this video, so subscribe to the channel and like it so we can keep on producing our content.